Everybody, we are so excited to introduce you to our Zbroz 5,000 pound winch. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and show you what you're gonna get in your package. So, of course, some basic instructions to help you understand how to connect this to your UTV of choice. There's a universal mounting plate. Depending on what style of bumper you have, it's probably gonna be all integrated, or if you have a factory system or some other aftermarket mounting option. Obviously a winch hook, all of your power cables, and these are labeled by color, so they're super easy to install. You'll see that on the solenoid. And then we have our cable, and this is going to be used to connect to the solenoid and also to charge this super cool wireless remote. So we're pretty pumped about this remote because you're able to obviously plug it in hardwired, and that will charge the remote. But once it's charged, you're gonna have hours and hours of use with this remote, and it's wireless. So you can get out of the car, move around, or hand it to somebody else that's spotting for you. They can be 50 feet away and run the winch and help you to make it a little bit easier. So that's a really cool feature. As we dig down to our second layer here, this is gonna open up our solenoid box. So this is the brains of everything, and everything's labeled with color, so it's super easy to know what wire goes where. It's labeled as well, so battery, positive, negative, winch, and then it's also labeled on the winch here. You've got a fair lead, you've got a winch rope bumper, so this is going to go between your hook and whatever mounting surface you have, and the fair lead here. So that's pretty cool. It's going to protect everything. And then of course the winch. So this is 5,000 pound, 2 horsepower, really light and compact winch. So it's powerful, and it's light, and it comes with 50 foot of synthetic rope. Everything you need to get out there on the trail to save your buddy, roll him over, or dig yourself out of a jam. So check it out now at zbrozracing.com or your local Zbroz dealer and get one today.